Hi guys, it's me, Paolo Julian Cerebero. So today guys, I'm gonna show you what is my setup of some drawings. So guys, it's my drawing things. We have this one, don't forget that. This one we have this, but it is no battery. This is my sketch. So don't mind this thing. And you know guys, we have some sketch, don't forget, and I'm gonna show you what's my sketch. First guys, this is my sketch. Next guys, up to the second one, it's Cinnamoroll. Cinnamoroll so cute. So that's what I am drawing, Cinnamoroll. So guys, let's go to the next one guys, this one. This one, it's so nice. I work hard of this. This one, oh my god, so cute. Next one. You know that I'm 8 years old now guys, you know now. So guys, this is the other one. This one next, this one guys. So guys, this is the last one. So guys, that's all I have guys.